Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, we will add 1 cup all-purpose flour. Then we will add 1 tablespoon yeast. Then we will add 1 tablespoon sugar. Then we will add 1 egg. It is optional. You may not add it. Now we will add 2 tablespoon oil. Now we will mix it well. After that we will add 1 cup milk. If you don't have milk, then you can take 2 tablespoon dry milk and 1 cup water and add it into the dough gradually. Now we'll start adding the milk gradually. We'll slowly keep adding milk until it's made a correct dough. We will cover and keep the dough for 2 hours in room temperature, not in fridge. Now we'll cover it with the plastic. Now we have covered it, we'll keep it in the room temperature for 2 hours. If you don't have the plastic foil, you can put a plate instead. So now after 2 hours we have taken out the dough and you can see it has risen a lot. Now we'll knead it and we'll take it out and we will knead it again and make it into a long shape. Then with the help of a knife or a cutter, we will cut it into 2 large pieces and roll each of them. Then we'll spread some all-purpose flour where you will make the dough. So now we will keep the dough and we will roll it with the help of a rolling pin. Now we'll roll it into a round shape. Make sure the shape is perfectly round. Now these are some of the items which we will use on the pizza, which includes green, yellow, red capsicum, some mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, some marinated and fried chicken, olives, pizza sauce, then some cabbage, included some other stuff also like onions, green onion, and the main part is the dough. So now we will take an baking tray and in that we'll grease some oil. After that we'll take some all-purpose flour and spread it on the baking tray. Now we have spread it properly, you can see. So now we will take that dough and put it in the baking tray like this, as we are showing you. Then after that we will add some pizza sauce. We'll spread it. After adding the pizza sauce, we will spread some grated cheddar cheese. After that we will take some mozzarella cheese and spread it over the cheddar cheese and the dough. And the cheddar cheese will be less compared to the mozzarella cheese. Then we will add some fried chicken, which is boneless. Then we will add some sliced onions in it. Then we will add sliced green, red and yellow capsicums in the pizza dough. Now I have added some red, yellow and now green capsicums. These are all sliced. Then we will add some sliced green onion stems. Just a little, not much. After that we will add sliced green cabbage. Afterwards we will be taking some of the olives and we will put them in it. These are sliced olives, not whole. Afterwards we will press it lightly with the help of your hand, not much forcefully. Then we will add some again cheddar cheese. This is grated. Then we will again add mozzarella cheese, and yes, it is more compared to the cheddar cheese. And then afterwards again we will press it lightly with the help of our hand. We will press it. Then you can see our pizza topping preparation is ready. Now we will keep this in the oven. So now I had preheat my oven on 200 degrees, and now I will bake the pizza on 180 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes, and our pizza will be ready. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, our pizza is ready. We will take it out. Alhamdulillah, it is very yummy looking. Such nice texture and shape. So now we will cut it. First of all, I will take it out of the baking tray and put it into a large plate or a tray. Now I will cut it with the help of a pizza cutter. You can cut it into as many pieces you want. You can see such cheesy and creamy texture. It will be very tasty. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our pizza recipe is ready. If you like our recipe, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And also share it with your friends. Inshallah, we'll meet you with another recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.